So let me show you what I've done so far since the last time we talked. So I showed you the books I finished. Come on, focus. And I thought I had fixed the creak in my chair, but I apparently have not. I finished those books, and then I went on to this book. So let me show you that here. So it's two parts, the outer cover, and then a single piece that's the inner pages. So you fold up the inner pages and you bend it and glue the crease like you're binding a book. And then you clip it and let it dry. And then you just glue because this is, the outside of each. You glue that together. And there you have it. And you'll notice that I believe I got this the right way up because it looks like the treble clef is at the beginning of the lines. So I believe it's the right way up. Hard to tell. It's so tiny. Does it really matter? I don't know. So that's cool. And then I did this this radio here, which is just a piece that you put together as a box. And then what this is you have this piece that has all the pieces on it, but then you have each of these pieces and you put them together and glue them on top so that it looks a little raised up. And it also said to use some wire. I'm not sure that I necessarily used the correct wires to make the little knobs, and there's also glue. It looks like image is flashing. So it looks a little raised up because you have paper stacked, and then this is like glue on there. I can't. It'll do. It's a little heavy in the front. So that's a little radio. And then the next thing I did, I skipped this one because it said to cut a transparent membrane in half, and I wasn't sure which of the things was it. And I know there's pieces that go on the big, let me show them to you. Well, where are they? There's pieces that are like windows. This white piece in here, you're going to put a plastic membrane on, and also the door. And those are bigger pieces, so I was afraid to cut it. So I've skipped this part. We'll come back to it. And then I made these bags. So there's multiple bags, and they're all this type of a shape. And then you fold them together. You crease each of the parts, and you fold the bottom part, glue this seam. And then put, pardon me, after you roll it up, you put a label, depending. So they turned out pretty cute. I assume they're all coffee. This had better be tea because it says lemon. Ta-da! So those are cute. And I cut out another piece of, I know what that's for. I don't think it was supposed to cut that out, but I did, so I'm just leaving it there. So the next things I'm going to make are this mailbox. I've already started to cut out the item there, and a suitcase, possibly a decoration jar. So we're getting down the, oh, here's that piece. That piece I cut out goes on one of these tea boxes, little box thingies. And that's the piece I cut out on accident. So that's where I'm at right now, and I will show you when I get a little further along. Thanks for watching.